Hi family, happy spring. Boy, am I glad for spring because it was a brutal winter in my neck of the woods. But today I have for you a spring tablescape that I'm sure you'll love. Now, starting with my runner, it's just a homemade runner that I had some extra fabric and I cut to my table size. As you can see, it's yellow, cotton, and white dots. Now, let's talk about my centerpieces. In the middle, as you can see, I have two bowls and a plate, and I just stack those. And going through this tablescape, you'll see how it's going to match with my dinnerware because that's exactly what it is, extra pieces from my dinnerware. Inside my bowl, I have my gold bunny, and around the base of the bunny, I have artificial flowers and some baby's breath. Now, on the outer edges in my bowl, I just took some purple cabbage, lined the bowl, and I cut grapefruit, lemons, and limes. Put them in the bowl, and I added also baby's breath for decorative purposes. And as you can see, I pulled out my little gold bunnies to put on both sides. And I'm loving how that turned out. Now let's get this tablescape started. Now last season, family, I picked these placemats and the dinnerware up at the end of the season at Hobby Lobby for pennies. And as you can see, it says Bon Appetit, and I love it. Let's start this tablescape. Okay, next I have my white charger plates. And I'm going to chase those with my orange dinnerware plate. Okay, my salad plates, as you can see, for both ends, I'm using a gold plate because the set of Hello Spring plates, I only have 4. And I think I actually picked these up a year or 2 ago at Home Goods. Now I'm going to add my, and you've seen these before, my white with the gold trim bowls. I'm loving the gold with the gold trim with the gold from my salad plate. And check out those colors. Placing my salad fork and my dinner fork. Okay, I have my knife and my teaspoon. I'm going to follow that up with my soup spoons. Adding my water glasses. My wine glasses. I'm loving how this is coming together, family. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Now my napkins are white, and as you can see, I have a gold butterfly napkin ring, and I'm just going to set it right in the center of the bowl, just as so. Okay, family, I'm ready for a spring dinner party. How about you? Again, if you like what you're seeing, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section. Stay with me for Table Talk. Hello, and welcome to Kitchen Talk. I'm asking today for all of my prayer warriors to join your faith with my faith in praying for my girlfriend Judy. Judy presently is going through some medical issues, and my prayer is that she would have a full and speedy recovery. Now, also include Judy's husband and children who are being a great support to her. Let me tell you a little bit about my girlfriend Judy. Now, I've known Judy for, I think it's going on about 30 years now. And Judy will give you the shirt off of her back, but don't come with no foolishness. Judy is a black and white, wrong is wrong, right is right, no nonsense woman. That's one of the things that I love about her. You always know where you stand with her. And one of a funny time that just has passed that I'm going to share, and that was during Christmas time. Now Judy would shop for her children and her grandkisses, and pretty much towards the end of the shopping, she would call me and she'd say, "Girl, whoo," she said, "you know, I was out there swiping that debit card like I hit the lottery." I said, "Judy, stop." She said, "I did." I said, "What did you buy?" Then we go through what she bought. Are you finished? "Girl, I'm done. I'm done." And then, you know, I'd add my 2 cents in. "Did you get the PJs? Did you get the so-and-so?" "I'm done. I done spent X amount of dollars and I done bounced this checkbook. I'm finished." And we would laugh hysterically. I can't wait for her to get back to old Judy. But again, if you would join your faith with mine to pray, I'm a living witness that prayer works and prayer does change things. So until next time, be blessed.